Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to know Ghibli fiber is available in your area or not. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to type on any search browser like Ghibli fiber availability in my area. Okay, so once you get the results, you need to type on this option. You need to tap on this option like over here. Once you are on this screen, you will see there is a phone number. Okay, you just need to simply call on this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them or you need to ask them like you want to know like Ghibli fiber air connection is available in your area or not. They will guide you each and everything. They will ask you some questions related to your address and all, then they will, you can say, guide. If the number is not available, maybe some issues, then in that case what you can do, you can visit on this page, and on this page you need to just simply hit any area, which area is you can say nearby to your address, and once you tap on any, you can say, option, you need to click on check residence, and once you click on check residence, it will show you all the information. Okay, but the best way to know the internet is available in your area or not is this one. Okay, you need to simply call on this number 1-866-699-4759, and that's it. They will guide you each and everything. So this is the best and easiest method to know Ghibli internet connection is available in your area or not. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.